Hey fuckers, welcome back to another video. Let's discuss about my trunk. Let me tell you guys exactly why I kind of want to trade it, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. So without further ado, let's get on with the day. Peep the new door panels, they look freaking good. So today I was actually gonna go on a drive, like a 40-minute drive, but honestly it's way too hot out right now. So instead I compromised with my girlfriend. We're gonna go out to eat. She wants some dope fire pictures. We're gonna get him some pictures downtown. Have a nice day, and I give you guys a first person point of view of me driving downtown. I know some of you guys said, why don't you just talk and drive? So that's what I'm gonna do today. Also guys, some updates on the channel. I've been trying to look for a transmission. I know there's a lot out there that are going for like $1,100, $1,200, but at that point I'd rather just get a new one that's $1,700, but I don't want to do that. So I want to try to find a used one that I can find for like $700, $800. I'm still trying to look for one, haven't found one yet, so that's kind of the deal with the transmission. I guess I could go out and search for like small things like the pedal and the trims and all that. I should probably just do that instead. Also the intake, I ordered it. The intake is probably like a 4 to 6 week wait. We're probably on week 1.5, so like that thing's gonna take quite a while as well. And then once the intake comes out, we can immediately just do the tune there and then. I'm kind of at the point where, like, you know, you kind of get like, oh, what should I buy next? What should I buy next? But I feel like if I buy something else and try to add it to the car, it's just gonna make it worse. Like, I feel like I'm adding too much at this point. So I'm just gonna wait, relax, take life, enjoy it, and just wait on the intake, the tune, and hopefully we can find a transmission so we can go ahead and manual swap this G35. All right, guys, I hope you can see. Let's see if you guys can hear some pops too. Ever since I replaced the cats, the car started popping a lot more. I mean, not the cats. Ever since I put the cats and I took out my Z1 air filter, it started popping a lot more. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I sure can. What? Oh man, do you guys hear all those damn pops? It's feeling good today. Now see, this is what I don't get. I was supposed to add these parts like a full exhaust, cats, high flow cats, air intake, and supposedly with all those things, right, you know, you make your car lean, right, because you have a lot of air coming in, or you have more air coming in now. But these pops, apparently to some of you guys, are saying that these pops happen because the car is running rich, which is the opposite. So I'm not sure exactly what's the science, and I'm pretty sure that's the science between when I took off my air filter, maybe less air is coming in, so now it's the air to fuel ratio is probably lower, so that's why it's popping a lot more. See, that makes sense. Maybe. Oh, we got a 350 right here, boys. Alright guys, see if you guys can hear the pop in downtown isolated. I think second gear is better. Ooh, this is perfect. Did you hear got the car nice and parked. Nice little date with the lady. Oh, gang, 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 let's go. Hey, they had a go gang over there. Sheesh. Anyways, check this burger out, guys. Burgers and Brew. Nice. Anyways, guys, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the carbon fiber trunk we're eating on right now. I was thinking, I know that the hexagon looks beautiful and all that. Look at that. It looks freaking gorgeous, right? But I was thinking of actually trading this just for regular carbon fiber. That way I can get like a carbon fiber hood without freaking breaking the bank. Because I can maybe get one like this, right? But then I can't really get the regular carbon fiber because they don't match with the back. A regular carbon fiber like this is like around 1,100, 1,200 bucks, right? But if I match it with the honeycomb carbon fiber, I'm gonna have to get it sent, and it's probably gonna cost around $2,000 to get it matched with the trunk, which is, it will look dope, but I don't know, man. That's way too much money. I ain't trying to spend that much, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not trying to spend that much, so that's just sick, bro. Oh, that's fucking goals right there, babe.
That is goals.
That's goals right there.
Nah. Fucking pops. Let me just roll down my window.
What was that?
Wait till the flight's up again.
Gunther's is whack. I don't know why you guys like it there. 7. Ooh, downtown is empty, boys. Oh, let's go Old Sac. That's where you like your ice cream from.
Prius, don't do it.
Prius, why would you turn right exactly when I'm turning? You kind of do.
I kind of know.
You kind of do want to visit. I know you
kinda
do.
know.
I can see the smile on your face.
Nope.
You're like, oh, childhood memories.
Nope.
Ooh. Oh, I see another cop again.
You're hurting his ears.
Sorry. I'm not time for bikers. You sure you don't want? Yeah, thumbs up, people. Hey, our car is actually not vibrating as much as. This is actually pretty stable.
Your fucking wheel.
Hey, we got the cholos again. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. What do you say? Little Panchito? Hey, you too, bro. Y'all lit as hell. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go again through the Golden Gate Bridge. The same content as always. God damn it. Woo, but it never gets old, baby. Never gets old. I do though. I'm already 22, and I'm over here revving again the Golden Gate Bridge. Hell yeah, full send, baby. I should have downshifted. Fuck. classical mistakes. Should have been like this, and then I should have been like down. But I messed up. Like always, we can go right. Let's just pretend we. Yes, I guess we live in a rich ass neighborhood today. Guess we live in. Babe, if we go in, we can't fucking come out. If we get fucking trapped in this fence.
Oh shit! Hey, where the fuck are we?
I don't know, but this is a rich ass area. What the
This I know.
fuck?
Let's go through.
Record to the outside. We got a Taquache truck. We got the Infinity Q50S. Damn, these are nice ass damn houses. Holy shit.
Damn, that's a nice house.
Hey guys, that's the end of the video. So like I said, guys, I kind of want to trade my trunk for a regular carbon fiber pattern. Let me know what you guys think. But besides that, this video is over. Happy Mother's Day to all of you, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, be safe. Catch you guys next video, guys. Peace out.